So I'm super sad right now because I made this video before, but the video corrupted, so I have to remake it again. Hate doing that. But what I wanted to teach you guys is React Router and URL parameters with React Router specifically. What I have here is an article, URL parameters with React Router by Tyler McGinnis. It's a pretty old article. It's from 2018 and it's about to be 2020 in less than 40 days. So what I wanted to do is I wanted to create a page, a show page where someone can put in events slash and an ID, and that'll bring up the event for them because I'm making a dance app and people have to be able to list their events. So there's a little bit of a difference between React Router v1, v2, v3 and v4 and above. Right now React Router is in version v5, and specifically the difference is in the way they format the route path. See, in this path they have this brackets around the path param, and in React 4 or React Router 4 they don't. But what I found is I'm weirdly able to use the format in React Router version 4 in my version 3 of React because I'm using version v3 of React Router. So without further ado, let's just jump into the code and take a look at things. So what I have here is route path events, or right here in line 74. So route path event, and inside that we have route path event ID. So if I went to something like event 2, that'll give me something. If I went to event, that'll give me nothing. It'll just give me like a blank page, which is what we expect. But if I went to event 2, and because I love shameless self-promotion, that's a picture of me dancing in Sweden, we are able to show the event on this event page. So all I wanted to go through for today is using this route path event ID, we're able to show the event of event number 2. And this is a really easy way for you to make a show page if you're using React as a front end. What's happening here is when I'm passing in 2 as the ID to my backend, which fetches event 2. If I show you my database, this is event 2, and that will return the data from event 2 back to the front end, which I use to populate that page. So that's all I wanted to do. I wanted to keep it short as possible. I think this is shorter than the first version of the video that I made, thankfully. And with that said, if you haven't joined our mailing list, please join our mailing list. And again, please rate, comment, subscribe if you like these videos. And by joining our mailing list, I'll be sending all these videos to you and all these free content to you, so you'll never miss a beat. Anyways, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys later.